Guys, welcome to Becodewala and welcome you to the new tutorial where I am going to show you how to get the email password that we are going to use in our node mailer. So when you build your backend for sending the verification code to verify your email, we have to use the node mailer, right? So to send the email, right, to send the verification code to your email, we need the email password and with which email you want to send your verification to the user when the user will sign up, right? So how to get this email password? So this is not the password that you use to log in with your Google account, right? So this is the different password. So it's actually called app password. So how to get? So go to your Gmail account, right, and click on a profile on the right hand side and click on manage your Google account. And if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share. And here you will be redirected to the manage your Google account. And here you can see that a search box. So you can just type app. When you type app, it will show you app password. So click on app password option and it will ask you the Google account password, right? Not the app password, your Google account password. So you have to enter your Google account password to verify that it is you or not. So it will just verify. And here you can I have see you can see that I have created many project. So suppose I have to create another project, be Codewala. I need a new password, so I can type the app name and I can click on create. When you click on create, you will get this password. And do not use space here. Suppose I copy this and here I'm going to here paste it here. So when I copy and paste it, you can see that the space, so don't use a space here. You can remove the space here, right? So this how you can get your email password. And for which email we have get this is the email. See, this is the email, right, we are using to create the app password. So this is the email, you can see that the email. So email should be the same that you have used to create the app password, right? And here we are using the service Gmail. So if you are using other services, so you can use the other services also. So this how we can get your app password. And here I have created the tutorial how to create and use this password and all in the project, how to use this. So you can go and watch this tutorial. This is the part 1 of our backend with the merge stack with the blog application that we have created, right? So you can go and watch. So hope you guys like the tutorial and we'll meet in next tutorial with a new amazing knowledge. So thank you.